guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. And in this episode I want to share with you how I make this mashed potatoes, so creamy and delicious, with this amazing cheese. You can purchase this in Costco. I purchased it in Costco, and I found this recipe in Costco as well. Also, you can purchase this, I'm pretty sure, in any other stores. I'm not sure. So let's get started. Very easy. You got a potato, you peel the potato, you throw the potato into water and let it chill until we finish all this potato peeling and slicing, about this big of the slices. I'm gonna rinse this couple of times, and I'm gonna add clean water, and I'm gonna let it chill about for 10 or 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna cook the potato. So I just sliced onion like a quarter, and I'm just gonna add there, season with salt, and we're gonna cook this on a high heat until the water boils, and then we're gonna reduce the heat on a medium high heat and cook potato until it's soft and tender. Okay, checking on the potato. Okay, looks soft. Okay, the potato is ready, so I'm gonna remove the onion. And I'm gonna throw this in the garbage, and we're gonna drain the potato. Okay, after you drain the potato, we're gonna add to this 1 tablespoon of butter and milk, just a little bit, and I'm gonna mash the potato with the potato masher. It looks good already. So now to this I'm gonna add freshly ground black pepper, just a little bit, and I'm gonna add this amazing cheese. I found this recipe in Costco. This is not a sponsored video, but I just really love it, and I just want to share it with you. So I use this, they use this cheese, and it's amazing, so good. So I try after I come home, I try it and I love it, so I'm gonna share this video. So I'm gonna use about half of this pack into here, this potato. I don't have that much potato, so half a pack should be way enough. So half pack goes there. We're gonna mash this again. We have an amazing creamy potato. For the taste, look at this, so creamy, yummy, so good. Wow, perfect, so tasty, creamy and delicious. Keep it simple and delicious. Subscribe to Simply Natalie, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.